Hey there DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to Skilled Hub's YouTube channel. Today we're tackling a couple of common bathroom issues that many of us have faced. A loose toilet seat and a leaky toilet. Stay tuned as we walk you through step by step on how to fix these problems without breaking a sweat. But before we dive in, how was the toilet seat invented? The history of the toilet seat is intertwined with the broader history of toilets and sanitation. Here's a brief overview. In ancient civilizations such as the Greeks and Romans, public toilets were often communal affairs with no seats. People would sit on stone or wooden benches with holes, and waste would fall into cesspits or flowing water below. During the medieval period in Europe, chamber pots were commonly used indoors, and they didn't have seats either. The pots were often emptied into the streets or cesspits. The Renaissance saw a renewed interest in hygiene and sanitation. Some wealthier individuals in Europe began using close stool chairs, which were wooden chairs with a hole and a container beneath to catch waste. However, these early versions of indoor toilets didn't have proper seats. In the 19th century, with advancements in plumbing and sanitation, indoor toilets became more common. The toilet seat, as we know it today, started to emerge during this time. Wooden seats were added to cover the hole for hygiene and comfort. In the early 20th century, toilet seats became more standardized, and materials like plastic and other composites started being used. The design and materials continued to evolve over the years, with various shapes, sizes, and features. Today, toilet seats come in a variety of materials, shapes, and features. They can be made of wood, plastic, or other materials, and some are designed with additional features such as soft closing mechanisms or antimicrobial properties. It's important to note that the evolution of the toilet seat is part of a larger story of improving sanitation and hygiene practices over the centuries. While the toilet seat itself may seem like a small detail, it reflects broader changes in human habits and living conditions. Now that we know about the history of the toilet seat, let's dive in on how we fix a wobbly toilet seat. Do you have a wobbly toilet seat or a mysterious pool of water around your toilet? It's more than just a minor inconvenience. It could lead to discomfort and even affect your water bill. Let's first explore the potential cause of a leaky toilet. If there's water around the base of your toilet, it might be due to a cracked seal. The T-bolts, which secure the toilet to the floor, can loosen and break the wax seal. Additionally, a loose tube, a faulty fixture, or limescale deposits in gaskets can contribute to a leaky toilet. To fix a leaky toilet, you can take these steps. 1. Tighten the T-bolts. 2. Replace the wax ring with a new one. 3. Check for and replace any loose tubes or fixtures. 4. Remember, for more complex issues, it's advisable to seek help from an experienced professional. Now let's move on to another common issue: a loose or worn-out toilet seat. You'll need some tools for this task. Pliers and a wrench are crucial for removing wingnuts that secure the seat to the toilet bowl. Plastic covers may hide these nuts, and a flathead screwdriver can help remove them. Replacing a toilet seat is easier than you might think. Here's a simple guide. 1. Locate and access the nuts holding the seat to the toilet bowl. 2. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove any plastic caps covering the nuts. 3. Loosen and remove the nuts with pliers or your hands. 4. Lift off the seat, and if it's stubborn, use a lubricant or a pry bar. 5. Remember, closely observe the fittings to adapt to different seat designs. Before you dive in, remember that toilet seats can harbor germs. Clean the toilet thoroughly with an antibacterial solution before starting. Also, wear rubber gloves to minimize contact with the toilet. With the old seat gone, it's time to put on a new one. Most new fittings come with manufacturer instructions. Here's a quick guide. 1. Line up the new fittings. 2. Attach the seat to the toilet bowl using bolts. 3. Adjust the seat position before tightening the bolts. 4. Insert plastic caps onto the bolts. 5. Take your time, especially with plastic bolts, as they are easier to adjust compared to metal ones. And there you have it, a quick guide on fixing a leaky toilet and replacing a toilet seat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more DIY tips and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy fixing.